I'm on a number of security lists, and I know some people who work with CBI. They were invited here, and we took, along with the help of crime branch, the call detail records. The call detail records themselves show a number of glaring contradictions. In the closure report of the police, the two boys said that father received a phone call in the middle of the night. Call detail records do not show any phone call received by the father. Secondly, there are a number of phone calls made in the middle of the night by people who were enemies of father, and some of them are awake all night on the night of the 5th. So this has not at all been investigated by the crime branch. So there are a lot of smoking guns in this that need answers. Another case is that in that muddy waters, if someone goes to swim, it has been told that the footprints cannot be erased for about 3 months because it's all, mud out there. But there were no footprints seen at all. So the basic case is that it is not clear if the two boys took father to Babar Manas at all. And this story, I condemned even the police department for trying to disrepute, trying to bring bad name. One of the questions they asked, why was father there at night with the boys? Father was a drunkard. The question is, it is not clear at all whether father went to Babar Manas. The 5 boys saw him some other place. So it's a conspiracy to give bad name to father as well as kill him. It is just started. And given the big names involved, I think we are just at the first stage. There is no need to celebrate. The court has given us some hope, but it's going to be a long way before we are able to nail the murders of Father Bismarck.